I can't tell. It's good. Haley, let's switch sides.
Should we be up here?
You have issues with heating issues.
Haley. 3, 2, 1. Hi, mermaids! What's good? It's Lex, Haley,
And CJ.
woo! Mack Sisters back at it again. Did you miss us? I know you wanted to see this. I know it.
Quarantine, what can we say? We're back and better than ever.
Quarantine, whole fam is under one roof. You know what I'm saying? So we're bored, you know. We decided to actually get ready today because we've been bum living and it's been amazing. But we're like, okay, we feel gross, so we just want to get together.
This might give you guys some quarantine updates. Like, we don't know. We're not going to set anything because we literally, like, we have no rules right now. So we're just going to do whatever, whenever.
Yeah.
So, like, we plan on adding a few more videos, so just keep in mind.
Yes. So what are we doing today, you guys?
We're making banana protein. I'm sorry, no. Not protein. We're making protein balls. Wait, yeah.
Yeah,
we're
protein balls.
We're making no-bake banana chocolate chip energy bites, they're called. But we're gonna bake them. So we are doing, I can't even do it because my
So we're making protein balls, so
Yeah.
cook with us. We'll have everything linked down below. And
So
then
first of all, wash your hands.
let's wash our hands.
I actually put my peanut butter in first and I put it in the microwave.
You're like the queen of protein balls.
I love them.
They're so easy to make too, which is really nice. Do we need a
Can you
spoon?
give me a spoon?
Yeah.
Sorry, she's kind of like doesn't know really what's going on.
Okay.
We're actually gonna bake these. They say like no bake, but like we're gonna bake them because they're so much better.
They're so much better. Should I start
Like
cutting?
they literally taste.
Okay, what
you guys start mashing the bananas up in here. We have to put them in.
I hate baking. I hate
Okay,
cooking.
where is?
Okay, we just washed our hands, so we're good. But I feel like
1/2 cup peanut butter. We're doubling the batch, so FYI, you guys, like, we don't know what we're
Okay,
doing.
well, this has been the funnest thing I've done this whole week.
Yeah, this is like we're trying to like stay busy. She's mushy. Okay, don't put them in yet.
Okay.
I know we get a
just
little
wash our
dirty
hands,
around
but,
here.
like, still.
grossing me out.
Yeah, so now the peanut butter is melted. Okay.
Who's
now,
obsessed with TikTok?
Me,
Not
follow me.
CJ, you're such a freaking klutz. She just got it on my shirt.
Stepped on my toe, you big head.
Yeah, now look at this.
Haley just like mushed this all together, peanut butter and banana, and we have all of our little our like measuring cups and stuff. Good job, Steve.
Preheat the oven until
What do you preheat it to?
I'm gonna do 350. Preheat to 350. I need conventional.
Yeah. Do we need a bigger bowl?
No.
Maybe not.
Those in the fridge. So we didn't need it though. It's hard actually to mix them. Okay, and then the next one we're doing is maple syrup, 2/3 cup. I'm just gonna guess on this because I don't want to get this sticky.
Just guess.
So we've done banana,
I'm a
oat,
savage.
maple syrup,
Classic,
peanut butter.
bougie,
Now we need
ratchet.
2 teaspoons of
Is that enough
cinnamon.
syrup, you think?
Yeah. I don't know. Okay,
You say cinnamon?
I always say cinnamon.
Cinnamon?
Yeah,
How do you say it?
she says cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
A lot of people do.
One. So sometimes I just kind of like
CJ, good
guess
job.
on
Keep
them.
mixing every.
They say to do 4 of
You should,
They
like,
say 1 teaspoon for this, but should we?
You should have like spread it instead of dumping it in one place.
Okay.
Who, me?
No, Haley, she dumped it.
Okay, that's enough. Synonyms very.
Cinnamon. Cinnamon. Not synonym. Say cinnamon.
Cinnamon's very very aggressive taste. So.
Yeah, if you use too much, you get.
Okay, Lexi, put in a 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips.
I was just eating these.
I'm trying to like flatten my oats.
We need
Flick
more.
that wrist.
Look at that, look at the flick of that wrist.
Okay, I'm gonna mix in 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
I'm gonna get this ready in the cup.
Holy, my wrist might break.
1/4 flax seeds.
What did you do? Did you pour it?
See how much vanilla I put
Sometimes
it might be
but
better.
vanilla's so good. Like you can't go wrong with it, right?
Do we have a 1/4 cup?
What are you doing right now, Lexi?
I'm just starting to put stuff in here.
Did you do a 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips? Did you fill it all the way up? Wait, those are big ones. Are these big ones? I thought these were mini ones. They're the big ones.
Oh.
Who cares?
The mini ones are way better.
Oh, here's mini.
I know, I bought mini, but I thought these are the mini ones. They're Mom's.
This is
That's
what it
okay.
looks like. Right now.
We'll still eat it. It'll still be good. 1/4 of flax seeds. Is 1/4
No,
small?
Lexi, half cup. We're doubling. This is the double
Oh.
side over here.
Oh, okay. I'm just getting this ready. We
Do
don't-
it over there. Those are messy.
Yeah. Flax seeds are very
And then we
good
need
for you.
2 teaspoons of chia seeds.
Okay.
Here.
So CJ.
Do you want like a?
Here, you start it.
You should have done that with this one. That one's so sticky, full of peanut butter. It's all mashed in there. That's why I grabbed this one for the rest of the stuff.
Well, am I
That
supposed
one's-
to read your
Here,
mind?
just
I don't
here.
I
know.
told you guys that's why I grabbed that
Just
one.
who cares?
Okay, now
And
we
then
need
you're
chia
licking them.
seeds.
Yeah, I'm
Wait,
looking at my
what's
finger.
the
Did you do half
Hey,
cup?
what's the difference between flax and chia?
I'll do chia seeds.
Okay.
What's the difference?
Where's the
Do you know the difference?
Try your little black seeds.
Yeah, here I need those.
Well, what are they for the same purpose or what's up?
No.
What's,
Would it be better if you had the wooden spoons?
no, it's fine.
Should I help you?
Shout out to your mom and dad for making you. Standing ovation, they did a great job raising you.
But I create.
You're my muse.
Right?
Yeah.
1 tablespoon.
You only smile at the news.
Okay.
Lexi has the best voice out of all of us.
Me and CJ are so brutal.
It looks so little.
Well, who cares?
Oh, and you're telling me about the peanut butter when there's peanut butter on that and you're dipping that whole thing
There's
in
not
the thing.
peanut butter on here. This
Look
is
it.
almond. This is almond. It's like straight off. Peanut butter sticks to literally everything.
Wait, what almond do we have?
Right there. Or I meant vanilla. Sorry. They
I thought you
remind
were
me.
gonna say almond butter.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now that's actually good. So we're gonna grab a pan.
Yeah, like you're basically mixing just everything together and then we're gonna put it in little balls, put it in the oven, and then you're gonna eat of it. What did I say?
And
I
then we
said
always
oven.
put tin foil on our pans because it literally makes the cleanup so
Oh,
much
I was gonna
easier.
say, what about the bananas? But I forgot we squashed them already.
Do we even have tin foil?
Can we use waxing paper? Can you use waxing paper in the oven?
No, that melts it.
Oh my god. I actually thought you could use waxing paper in the oven too.
Okay, our oven's ready, but we still gotta get the balls down.
Okay, where's the...
Holy, these are huge.
Wow, this is-
Why are these so big?
Here, let me get a...
What the heck are you guys? This is
Let me
Dr.
get a
Long
scissors.
John.
I don't cut it
Whose
with
are
that.
these?
I never cut it with that. Scissors are over here.
Oh, well, I don't live here anymore. I don't know.
Like they've been there for years.
Now we're gonna make them into little balls. Balls. Everyone.
Okay. These take so long.
What?
They're not really sticky.
So now you just make them.
Because I feel like you needed more syrup.
Okay, well then you before you
Oh,
dive
these
your
are
hand
good.
and put-
Holy, is that way too
Holy,
big?
that's huge.
Should I put some syrup in here?
We don't have the mini chocolate.
I feel like we need a little more syrup.
Should we put a little? Why do you want it?
I kind of like
Yeah.
to make them like this.
Now
like
this
a-
is like tiny.
Yeah, it's kind of.
Lexi, you gotta
Oh, that's
put them in the palm
horrible.
of your hands and mix them so they get good. Sometimes I make mine.
No,
so
I
bad.
know.
Sorry.
I feel like I'm actually
Is
gonna
that
get elbowed in
better?
the eye right now.
Sticky?
No, it's making it worse.
Worse.
Yeah, I'm like, why more freaking?
Why
What?
are you like doing this?
I literally can't. Look
Hey,
at me. I'm trying to
you
get
guys,
this.
it's worse.
CJ, why are you even listening to CJ about this?
Well, I thought
You
it
never-
helps. Syrup helps.
What, stick them
Yeah, 'cause
together?
Yeah.
You want it? I thought they were perfect before
It's
it.
perfect.
It's fine.
These are gonna turn out horrible.
No, they're not. I'll tell you that.
I
much.
hope not, but frick.
They're not going to.
I know the mini ones are way better. So we accidentally put big chocolate chips, just put mini ones in. So Mermaids, it's been a while since us three have been together.
Yeah.
What's been, you know, shaken up?
Literally nothing. I feel like
Yeah.
everyone's lives feel like they've been stripped for them, but in these hard times, we have to believe God has a plan and stuff because
I really truly
I don't
feel
know.
like the world is in like a weird place right now. Like the air, it's just weird.
yeah, it is.
I feel like though we're so lucky that like think of back then when they had no technology in these times, like the Great Depression and all that. That would be
Well, what did you guys? I don't know if this is appropriate to talk about, but like the Anne Frank when she was up in the attic for like over 2 years.
I
That is-
know.
like that is brutal.
I
You guys,
know.
these are not sticking. I don't know what to put that's sticking.
I think it's.
I think when they go in the
Okay,
oven,
you know what you
they'll,
have to
like-
do? You can't actually mush them. You just gotta like
pat them.
fluff them.
You can bake them or you can put them in the fridge.
I
It kind
kinda
of.
do both.
Oh my
but,
God,
Like,
this is-
baking on the, you can always like not bake them and then put them in the microwave too.
Yeah,
That's good too.
but that might just be careful so you don't like melt everything.
Oh.
I'm about to just eat this. This is not. This
I
one's
just
not
tried it.
good.
It's brutal. They're way better baked. They're good though. But I hope you guys all are doing good in quarantine and following the COVID-19 guidelines. Because this world is a very dangerous place right now. And like, we just pray it gets better. But
You all have to
just make sure you're taking care of yourselves and like your family and don't expose anything. Seriously, for reals, for reals. Right?
Okay, guys. So we're just gonna put these in the oven for how long did we say?
8 to 10 minutes.
Here they are. This one's a little overboard, but that's okay. I wonder if we could like fit this on one, but whatever. Oh my gosh, I always forget this little thing in here all the time.
That's what I was telling you about.
Gosh.
Oh my god, Lexi, put it on this side. Just overlap the pan.
Here.
Yeah. Nothing will happen.
What if the twin foil touches this? Will that start a fire?
No, but that I've always thought
Twin foil.
Tin foil.
Foil did not belong in
That's in the
Same.
microwave. You can't put it in the microwave.
No, Ashley,
oven, I feel
Ashley,
guilty.
shout out to you. She told me that trick because I had never.
I knew that actually. Okay, guys, so we will be right back after it's done.
Okay, timer.
These actually only take about not even probably 20 minutes to make, and they're so
Not
easy
even.
No, see, Davies. Oh,
to make them up and then do that. So
Peanut butter just gets everywhere.
yeah, okay, we'll be back in 8 minutes.
Yep. Don't let it. Right here. Okay. Big Lex wants to get the taste test. You know she got the taste buds. So here they are, perfectly rounded, soft.
Cheers. Cheers.
They are so good. They're still like crunchy, but like soft.
I think they're amazing.
I think
Though.
they're so good. Oh my god, I just got a chocolate melted on my tongue. I like the banana. Tanner didn't like the banana.
Very good.
I'm hot.
Go put your head in the snowbank.
I think CJ needs to live in the Arctic Ocean because you're the hot box.
You should consider moving to Alaska.
You guys should.
My hair, you're chipping it.
Okay.
You guys should bring a fireplace around everywhere you go.
I wish.
So
Can I have a drink of
that was actually really good. Making it was super easy. Like I said, we'll have everything. We'll have our video linked down below.
Oh, I thought you were grabbing it. Yeah.
Are you dumb? Did you just burp in our face? No,
I'm choking. Holy.
I don't know. I couldn't tell if you're puking, burping, snorting. I don't know. It sounded like three at the same time. Tanner, what did you think of the protein balls? You want to tell the movie? Did you like them? They were good.
Be honest. Did
And you
like
can do
them?
other stuff too. You don't just need to put like bananas in.
rolled out in the back throat.
Did you like it or no?
I liked them, but I didn't like the banana.
Oh,
So-
we can make monster ones next time without the banana. Those are
Your way
really
back.
good,
You
too.
can get up. Also, mermaids. Just before we head out, we're gonna be doing a lot more videos together while because we're gonna be stuck under here.
Yeah.
Before you go, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the noti bell. Okay, thank you, mermaids, so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.
Stay safe, everyone. Bye bye.
Yeah, stay safe. Wash your hands. Wash your ass.
Just kidding.
Bye. sneeze. I gotta sneeze. Woo!